A very good afternoon and a warm welcome from us here at Cheshire Cars to our first exclusive video review of an MG. Yes, we have secured an MG which was owned by one private owner locally, and we were recommended to them, which was wonderful. Oh, here we have a absolutely Bobby Dazzler red metallic to pearlescent finish, and I have mentioned the actual paint colour in the description, so just forgive me for now not mentioning it here, so it's just slipped my mind, but it's an absolutely splendid paint finish. 2020, 14,300 and I think 78 miles. It's been serviced 3 times by MG here in Crewe, and we've just acquired the service parts from MG, and we'll be carrying out a service, and it was recently MOT'd. All good matching tyres and wheels in good condition, bodywork in great condition. The odd stone chip which we'll go through in a moment, but a absolutely splendid vehicle and very well spec'd. It has actually a reversing camera, reversing sensors, Apple CarPlay and digital radio and voice activated steering wheel, and cruise control also is standard, so a very well spec'd car. Let's go into the car. Straight away you can see, I think it's very much like similar to a Mazda CX-5 actually in some respects. Very attractive car, lovely front grille, chrome on the exterior and honeycomb in the centre, DG20 UVC. It has the balance of MG's 7-year warranty. That's right, 7 years warranty, so until 2027. You must keep the car serviced, of course, every year, but it has got that very big bonus of the 7-year MG warranty. We do have 2 keys, and we have a book pack and service book, and there are the front, well, one of the front wheels. No curbing, tiny little bit of corrosion on one of the back wheels. I'll go into that and show you. We may not actually show it on the video, but we'll talk about it anyway, so we are completely transparent. Lovely interior, no smells, no tobacco or animal odours. It's climate control, so you have air conditioning, of course. ZS kick strips. We've bought some genuine MG carpets in carpet mats, so they're fitted in the car, so whoever the new owner may be. And we've also had a privacy film fitted to the rear windows, so the rear windows we have with ultimate tinting in Sandbach. Oliver, or Ollie as he likes to be called, that's the second job he's done for us, so we're very impressed with his work, very diligent chap. So that's something that's on the vehicle. Rear privacy film, quite nice. Good sized boot, flexible. You've got underboard storage as well. Parking sensors in the rear bumper, just here. And the reverse camera is just there. So we'll give you a demonstration of that once we get inside the car. This vehicle is available to take away straight away or have it delivered. We charge £1 a mile from postcode to postcode. It's £1 to get to you, and it's £1 to come back, because we do have to come back, of course, either on the train or if you've got a part exchange, we drive the car back. So if there is a part exchange, incidentally, we will just charge you one way, because we'll come back in the vehicle obviously, but if we have to pay train fares or fuel, then we just need to cover our costs. So or you can come and collect it and pick it up from us here in Crewe, which is what someone is doing at the weekend. We've been established 28 years, and we have an enviable reputation for good and straightforward and honest car dealing. All our reviews are available on Google, Facebook and Auto Trader. Please do take a look at those reviews. Car finance is available, so to exchange, and you can do that by filling out our helpful page on our website for a part exchange price, or you can go to www.webuyyourcar365.co.uk, and I will get back to you with a purpose bespoke valuation of your car or vehicle. You may have a commercial vehicle, of course. Just straighten the steering wheel. So we've had chance now, we've had the car just over 7 days, we've had chance to look at the car and touch it, hoover it, clean it, polish it, and get the car ready to this standard that you're seeing, and we're quite impressed. Overall, we're giving it quite a high score. It's the MG that's now owned by the Chinese company, and it's their first attempt at a westernised vehicle, and it's a good attempt, a very good attempt indeed. And there is a 7-year warranty, as I've mentioned, so they're pretty confident, aren't they? It's a 1.5 engine, it's a 5-speed gearbox. It has all the benefits you'd expect of a Volkswagen or a Peugeot, Ford or Vauxhall, etc. And for a fraction of the price. So we think it's an all-round very, very worth considering if you're looking for something that's a little bit higher up. Nice to drive, smooth to drive. We've driven it, both of us, Neil and me, a few miles, and we've been both very suitably impressed. It's not a racing car, but it does do what its purpose is, which is to carry people smoothly, safely and on time. 4 electric windows. Driver's seat has also a height adjuster. I'll just turn that down a little bit. Now I have got my telephone connected by the cable, because the Apple CarPlay is off the cable. So if we just go into Apple CarPlay, there's the screen for Apple CarPlay, and then you've also have the ability to put the Google Maps up. So there's Google Maps, and then reverse camera. I think it should just come up there, should it? Yep, there's the reverse camera, just taking it out back onto Google Maps. So altogether a very nice package. There's cruise control just there as well. Not sure if it's speed limiter, but it's certainly cruise control. Then you've got voice activation. Is it activated? Sorry, press the right one, David. Cancel. And there is it cancelled. Lovely steering wheel. I think that's, for me, that's a fantastic feature of this car. It's a lovely, lovely steering wheel. Not too small, not too big. Everything works, functions correctly. Just down there is your air conditioning. Nice and cold. You have some cup holders. You have a little bit of storage there. Handbrake in the sense of a handbrake. Reverse is back towards your leg as the driver, and then backwards. That gives you the bleeps, and the camera comes into play as well. Good size glove box. There is the handbook with instructions. So yeah, very impressive indeed. 14,378 miles is absolutely guaranteed, so we are saying that is correct. And we'll just put it on auto lights, because it does have auto lights as well, which is another benefit. Heated mirrors. That's telling you you've opened the door and you've got the key and engine running. So we should be getting hopefully used to this car by the time next week comes by, and if anything else comes along in the MG range, we would probably consider it. So yes, we're suitably impressed with our 2020 MG ZS, and I'm sure you will be too. Get in touch with me, David Bilsborough. You can email me at cheshire.cars@btconnect.com if you want any more information. But if you're watching the video, which I hope you are, then you'll know it's on the YouTube site, it's on our website, and there's also a finance calculator. You can go and tailor your own finance on our website. There's also a part exchange form to request a price for that. Or you can reserve the car as well. There's a feature to reserve this car without speaking to any of us first, and then I will get back to you with all the details of how the transaction proceeds. That's David Bilsborough, business owner at Cheshire Cars in Crewe in Cheshire. We'll have a fantastic day, and we hope to hear off you very, very soon indeed. Thank you.